In the San Francisco Bay Area, the commuter railroad Caltrain has recently undergone a major rail equipment upgrade. Starting on August 10th of 2024, the first new electrically powered trains began entering service. The new train sets are built in Utah by the Swiss company Stadler. Known as electric multiple units, or EMU for short, these trains do not have a separate locomotive. Instead, each train consists of 7 semi-permanently connected cars that are all powered by electricity from an overhead wire. Electric traction motors, placed strategically in certain trucks or bogies along the train set, provide the motive power, resulting in much quicker acceleration than a locomotive-hauled train. The car at each end of the train contains an operator's cab for quick turnaround of the entire train set in between runs. As of mid-January of 2025, 17 train sets have been delivered to Caltrain, with 15 approved for revenue service. Caltrain has a total of 23 7-car sets on order. On September 21st of 2024, the new EMU sets fully replaced Caltrain's 20 original F40PH-2 locomotives and 93 gallery cars in between San Francisco and San Jose. A small fleet of 6 MP36PH-3C and 3 F40PH-2C locomotives and 41 Bombardier bilevel passenger cars have been retained for weekday service in between San Jose and Gilroy. Caltrain also has an experimental 4-car battery electric multiple unit set on order from Stadler, which will be tested on the San Jose to Gilroy runs when completed. Let's take a look at the new Caltrain electric train sets in action. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for this look at Caltrain's new EMU train sets in service. If you'd like to see more videos about Caltrain in the future, let me know in the comments below. As always, a special thanks to all my supporters on Patreon. To receive regular updates whenever I post to YouTube, click on the subscribe button and select the Receive All Notifications option. I'll be back next Friday at 9 AM Pacific Time with a brand new railroading adventure right here on the YouTube channel. That's it for now. Until next time, I'm Mike Armstrong. I'll see you down the line. Thanks for watching.